So hello friends, welcome to Bengology, and today you're gonna learn numbers from 51 to 60 in Bengali. Okay, so am I visible? Okay, so from 51 to 60. So today, so today adjust this whiteboard because the setup is not clear, I think, but the words are visible for me, or and I wish this is visible for you all. Okay, so this is not mandatory to show my face every time, so learn just things. Okay, so first of all we will start from 51. Okay, 51 to 60. So first, this is 51. How can we say 51 in Bengali? So have you remembered about numbers? How can we say numbers? Numbers means shankha. I have told you at the first lesson that numbers means shankha. So today we will learn about shankha. Why I am emphasizing about shankha? Why I am not saying about numbers? Because you are developing your Bengali skills, so you have to pronounce it as shankha, not numbers, because you know that these are numbers, but you have to pronounce it as shankha for your understanding and your knowledge, because you have to use these words at the Bengali conversation at the beginning level. Okay, because you are learning this language, so you have to know these words and you have to use those words for better conversation in Bengali. So first, our first number is 51. So how can we say 51 in Bengali? 51 means, so 50 means ponchash and 51 means ekannô. Okay, this is not ek ponchash because we have learned ek chollish, ek tirish, but here this is ekannô, not ek ponchash, ekannô. So a ko a ka, a ko a ka, double no. Okay, so ekan, first eka no, ekan, and then no, ekannô. Ekannô means 51. So first this is 5 and this is 1. Hope you understand this, because we have learned this from the first video, that what is 1, what is 2, what is 3, what is 4, and from up to 0 to 9. Okay, so by this 0 to 9 you can easily create any numbers from English to Bengali. Okay, but you have to know the actual pronunciation. How can you write this? That's why you have to know the numbers. So 51 means ekannô. Ekannô, ekannô, double no. Okay, so ekannô means 51. After 51 we have 52. 52 means bahannô. So this is 5 and this is 2. This is bahannô. 52 means bahannô. After 52 we have 53. 53 means tippannô. Tippannô. Or you can say, like, you can write like this, tippannô. Okay, but generally we use tippannô. So tippannô. So this is tippannô. Tippannô means 53. So this is tippannô. After 53, we have 53 means tippannô. Tippannô, 53. Then we have 54. 54 means chuyannô. Chuyannô. So this is 54 means chuyannô. Okay, chuyannô. After 54 we have 55. 55 means ponchannô. So 55 means ponchannô. First 5 and then second 5. 55 means ponchannô. Ponchannô. 50 means ponchash. 55 means ponchannô. We just have to remove the talobosho and we have to put double no. Okay, so this will be 55. So after 55 means ponchannô, we have 56. So 56 means chhappannô. Chhappannô. So here is 5 and here is 6. 56 means chhappannô. So after 56 or chhappannô, we have 57 means satannô. Satannô. So 57 means satannô. 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 After 57 we have 58. 58 means atannô. Atannô. So 58 means atannô. After 58 we have 59. So 59 means unshôṭ. So you can guess that 60 means shôṭ. So 60 means shôṭ and 59 means unshôṭ. So this is 59 and this is 60. So 60 means shôṭ, 59 means unshôṭ. So I am pronouncing all of these numbers again. First is 51 means ekannô, 52 means bahannô, 53 means tippannô, 54 means chuyannô, 55 means ponchannô, 56 means chhappannô, 57 means satannô, 58 means atannô, 59 means unshôṭ, and 60 means shôṭ.